If you want to be more masculine and you think this is the actual masculinity, you probably need this video. Part 1, the lie we've been sold. Most men today feel lost because they chase validation from women, from social media, from status symbols, but deep down they still feel weak. Why? Because they have been lied to about what masculinity actually is. See, society told us masculinity is about aggression, about having muscles, money, and power over others. But here's the truth. That's not masculinity. That's insecurity disguised as masculinity. Real masculinity is something completely different. It's not about controlling others. It's about controlling yourself. Part 2, the hidden pattern. Think about Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Roman emperors. He had armies, power, and wealth. But what made him masculine wasn't his empire. It was his discipline, his calmness under pressure, his ability to choose reason over impulse. Cristiano Ronaldo is another example. People admire his physique, skills, and his money. But the reason he's truly masculine isn't his fame. It's his obsession with discipline, the way he trains when no one is watching, the way he shows up every single day, even when he doesn't feel like it. Part 3, the masculine code. You never become more masculine by yelling louder or flexing harder, but by practicing self-control, by mastering your impulses like lust, laziness, and addiction, by building your body not to impress others, but to carry responsibility, by taking ownership of your life instead of blaming circumstances.
The loudest man in the room is the most insecure man in the room.
He's the calmest and doesn't seek validation. He creates it through his actions. Because in the end, masculinity isn't about dominating others. It's about mastering yourself. The world doesn't need more aggressive men. It needs strong men who can stay calm in chaos. And if you can become that man, you'll never feel lost again.